Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't.
Oh, hello. Hi. That's not a good angle. Hold on. Okay, that's better. Pigtails. Oh, hello. Good morning. No, not morning. It is 2:38 in the afternoon now. I've gotten dressed. That means I can move a task now. Okay. So the weekend, I did, actually, I didn't do bad over the weekend. I had a list of things that I wanted to get done that did not get done during the week. I had a list of 14 things, my gist list for Saturday, and I got 12 of those 14 things completed and accomplished. I made my list for this week, so let's see how I do. I have 17 things on there, but don't groan at the number. I really kept it simple. Matter of fact, I can check one off now. I kept it simple, like upload a vlog video to YouTube, film second video, edit and export second. Yeah, I kept it like little simple tasks that are manageable. So it sounds like a lot when I say it's 17 tasks, but don't worry. Actually, let me go ahead and cross upload video because it is uploaded and live. So there's that. I am making lunch. Okay, so I raved enough about Dez's video last week in the vlog. You'll see if you haven't yet. Obviously, by the time you see this vlog, you'll see it already. Or you'll have seen Dez's video. So it doesn't. I wasn't really trying to make it look like Dez's or anything. I had to put my JC twist on it. But I wrote out, as you saw earlier, some daily tasks. So I said that this week, at the end of last week's vlog, I said that I was going to try a little soft experiment to see if doing time blocks or timed goals worked better than overall word count goals. I still want an overall set word count amount by the end of this week, but I'm not going to think of word count in terms daily. Of course, I'm me, so I'm gonna write down my word counts at the end of each day, obviously, but my overall objective is to, I put the thing back. Okay, so on Monday and Friday, which is admin days, I'm going to attempt to, and I don't have it in front of me, so I don't know. I gotta go get it again. Crap. Yep, that was brilliant of me. Hold please. Okay, I had to go retrieve my So, where are you? Is that it? No, yes, no, maybe so. Are you it? Yes. So, in the section that I have for my ideal routine. So Mondays are admin days. So obviously the focus is going to be admin. And actually I can kind of move one down. So I'm going to try to squeeze in writing on admin days regardless. Because I really need my revisions done by the end of January, or as close to the end of January as I can get it. So I have one here to do at least 2 30-minute sprints of writing on Mondays and Fridays, writing and revising. And then I have 5 to 6 30-minute tasks, admin tasks, admin sprints. Y'all know what I mean. So it averages, and then I have also on here 2 30-minute sprints of outlining and or brainstorming because I have multiple projects I'm trying to get done this year. So the average is out to about an hour of writing on Mondays and Fridays, an hour of outlining, brainstorming on Mondays and Fridays, and 2.5 to 3 hours on Fridays. It's actually 2 hours because backstage workshop things are happening on Fridays. So 2.5 to 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours of admin work Mondays and Fridays. So, and then whatever doesn't get done for admin falls into Saturday gist day. For Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, because those are writing days, Tuesdays are like my heavily focused writing days. Probably the day I would probably get the most writing done out of any of the writing days. And I have 8 30-minute sprints that I'd like to get done, which adds up to 4 hours of writing, and 2 30-minute sprints of outlining, just outlining, not brainstorming, which adds up to 1 hour. So it's about 5 hours of writing work. Wednesdays, I also have 8 30-minute sprints, but I know that Wednesdays is kind of up in the air a little, but just because it's my stream day, oddly enough, I get I'm less productive on my streams because, you know, the one hosting is typically, I mean, there are some that can manage to still be productive on while they're hosting, like Esther and Nia. I don't know how y'all do it, but and even Tiff. So I have 8 30-minute sprints, but I know that that's kind of here or there. So that's 4 hours, and then I have 4 30-minute sprints of outlining / brainstorming, which is 2 hours. So that's a 6-hour day. I guess that's more heavily focused on Wednesday then. Oof, I should change that. Anyway, Thursday, because that's the day that I also have to do adulting things, I actually lowered my amount of sprints for writing. I did 4 30-minute sprints of writing, which averages out to 2 hours, and 2 30-minute sprints of outlining / brainstorming for 1 hour. So because I know how my body feels after I have to go out and adult and do adulting things. That's partly why I lowered it on Friday, the admin amount on Friday, because there will be times on Fridays that I might have to go somewhere as well. Or maybe that's why Tuesday is less than Wednesday, because there will be some Tuesdays where I might have to actually go out and do something. Anyway, that's the general gist of it. Gist. So, and then after watching Dez's video, I don't want to burn my food. After watching Dez's video, I have like baseline tasks, like, you know, when things are just really like pain day, really bad pain day, or anything really, or I'm feeling depressed or really overly stressed and anxious. Then I have like the baseline minimum tasks, like get out of bed, shower, get dressed in actual clothes, not just pajamas. Do my hair and comb through it. Hang out with the friends because that makes my days better a lot. Eat breakfast or eat lunch or both, because sometimes I forget to eat if I'm really like depressed or in high stress moments. Go for a drive, read, go to the store, which is basically, you know, that's a necessity. And I just put adult task here because sometimes adulting could be doing laundry. Sometimes it could be going out to get, you know, toiletries and things like that, you know, adulting things. And then I have here, I have my my 30-minute blocks of writing and revising, my 30-minute blocks of outlining. I have some YouTube stuff, the admin task blocks, and stuff for the magazine that needs to get done as well. So actually I can move down. Hold on, I don't want to burn my food. Okay, did I need such a big bowl? Probably not, but we use what we have. So, I actually can move. I can move, get out of bed. I did that today. I showered. I got dressed in actual clothes. I am eating lunch. So technically I can take that off too. Ooh. I've done 4 baseline tasks today. I have also done 30 minutes of admin today, at the very least. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now. We'll see how productive this makes me for this week. Also, what else did I finished the book, the James Patterson book, over the weekend. So now I am reading yet another James Patterson book called The House Next Door. I'm also going to try to concentrate on this week as well as finishing the audiobook, 101 Essays to Change the Way You Think. But I'm going to go eat and do some more admin stuff. But I'll be back. Okay, so hello. Oh, the stream was so good. It was so much laughter at the end there during the stream, but definitely at the end. If you were there, if you know, you know. So okay, well, I knew all of these weren't like moving to the bottom or anything. But I didn't get all of the admin tasks that I'll say I was supposed to do 6 30-minute sprints of admin, but I didn't actually need to do 6 30-minute sprints of admin. I probably should have done at least one more, but I at least got 3. I did my 2 writing sprints. I did 1 of outlining. I did 1 of outlining. Although, technically, I did work on some outlining stuff after the stream backstage, so perhaps, we were back there for longer than a half hour, and I was working on some brainstorming and stuff for my pen name stuff. So, yeah, I'm gonna put 2 outlining 30 minutes there. I uploaded the video, I posted an author interview on the magazine website, and I got 4 baseline tasks complete. I'd say it was a good day. And now I just have to move these back up there and these back up there, and we'll do it all again tomorrow. with different objectives, of course. I'm going to make my way over there, and then I'll probably come back on the second night, and yeah, because I need to stretch my legs, and that dream was very good for me. Anyway, I'll be back. Bye. Okay. I'll say goodnight now. I'm just gonna relax, watch some more TV, and did I mention that I'm on to a new book? James Patterson, The House Next Door. Yeah. Do some reading after finish playing another couple of rounds of Candy Crush. Okay. See you guys tomorrow. Good night. Bye-bye.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
Okay, I guess I should finally actually say something and say hello. It is, what day is this? Tuesday, the 23rd. Oof, gosh, always look a mess. I have been not as productive as I would like to be today. I'm trying to be, but I moved down, get out of bed. Oh, wait, I ate lunch. So there you go. As you can see, I did not get dressed because I'm in my pajamas. I've done 2 writing sprints, which is not the 6 to 8 that I'm supposed to do today. We'll get there. Hopefully. I'll be back.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want.
I wait backstage. Just sitting here waiting for Nia backstage, and I've only done 4 30-minute sprints so far, which is not quite the 8, well 6 to 8 that I'm supposed to do, but I'm really trying to finish chapter 13, which I'm close to finishing, so I also want to really outline for my pen name project, which has a code name now. Code name Betty. So hopefully I get to work on outline tonight. I don't know. My mind is preoccupied. I just really want to finish chapter 13, so I haven't actually totaled up my word count either because I just want to finish the chapter and I'll worry about the total later. But I'll be back later. Hello. I am going to call it here. Obviously, I'm not going to sleep, but I'm going to end this for today. I finished. Oh, I didn't even show you. Oops. I finished chapter 13. So tomorrow I will be moving on to chapter 14. I did 3,077 words for the day. I didn't think I was going to get over 3,000. But I think that's because I was really insistent on finishing chapter 13. I was so close. It was like no way that it made sense to just stop right there. I mean, I guess if I didn't know how to end it, the chapter, I could have stopped. But I finished. So I'm excited to start chapter 14 tomorrow. So I'm going to go drink my tea and watch some YouTube. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll
Oh, hello. It's been all day and I haven't said hello yet. So, hi. Oh gosh. I have not. I got up later than I wanted, but earlier than I did yesterday. I'm gonna say I haven't really felt like doing much of anything today. I've only done 2 sprints thus far. I'm technically on my 3rd one now because the Forest app is going, but I realized that I hadn't said hello to you and thought I'd do it now as a way to procrastinate. I'm on chapter 14, so yay. I really don't feel like writing, but I'm going to do it anyway because either tomorrow or Friday I'm going to the laundromat and I most likely won't be writing on that day, whatever day that is. got up. I ate lunch. I've done 2 tasks. I do not have a video for tomorrow, so there's that. Because I had in mind what I wanted to film for tomorrow, but now I changed my mind and I think I want to do that a little later down the road, not tomorrow. And yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna finish this sprint. Hopefully I'll make it to at least 1,000 words for the day, so we'll see. I'll be back. We're just gonna ignore this. Thanks. I'm gonna say goodnight. I'm trying to go to the laundromat tomorrow, so I'm gonna try to get up at a decent time. It's 4 a.m. right now, and I'm still watching a YouTube video, so I probably should go to bed. Good night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Oh, I forgot to update. I wrote into chapter 14, not too far in, but I wrote 2,584 words a day. So yay. Good night. Bye. Okay, I'm not going to talk long, but hello. It's Thursday. It's laundry day, and that is where I'm headed. I will try to talk some more later, but I want to hurry up. It's 2:34. I'm trying to beat some traffic, hopefully. I still have to go to the store before I go to the laundromat to get some detergent. So, yeah, I'll be back. Bye. Hello. Hi. This is me coming to you to say good night. Good morning. Whatever. It's 3:57 in the morning. I'm getting ready to go to bed. But yeah. Good night. Bye. 0 words written today, by the way. But I No, I'm not outlining. I played around in Project Betty. All right. See you tomorrow. Good night. Bye. Okay, hello. Again, I forgot my wrist brace, but whatever. It's Friday. I don't really didn't want to come out the house, but I need to go to the store. I couldn't do the laundromat and the store in the same day. That was way too much. So I need to go to the store to get a few things to last through the weekend. And okay. It is way too warm out here. I came out here with my sweatshirt on because it's cold in the basement. Very cold. And it's 73 degrees. Like, why is it 73 degrees? I don't like the heat. Y'all know I don't like the heat. It's too hot. My window's down. Look at that. My window's down. It's warm enough for me to put my window down. That's not good. I know. Y'all are yelling at me because y'all love the warmth. But I do not. Anyway, here we go. I'll be back. Oh, hello. Hi. It's me again. It's, what time is it? It's 5:25. I've been back. Well, I got back at about 4-ish, somewhere around there. But I needed to decompress, and I may need to put ice on my knee because, oh yeah, I had a fall. I fell in the store at the register. At first, I thought my pride was the only thing that was really hurt, but my knee feels like it's swelling a little bit. My shoulder also hurts a little. My pride was probably hurt the most out of everything because so many people. I mean, it was at the register. So many people saw me fall. I was putting the case of water in the cart, and my knee did a thing, and then I lost my balance because my knee did a thing, and I tried to catch myself, and it was like the more I tried to catch myself from falling, the further I went into the fall. So yeah, that was fun. Gonna need an ice pack. I think I am. I was hoping I wouldn't, but I think I am. So, let's see. Have I done much of anything today other than go to the store? Nope. No, I did not. I'm gonna try to write a little bit before I meet the gang backstage for a little workshop stuff. I have admin. It's admin day, and I'm supposed to be working on admin stuff. I just haven't, and I'm gonna be okay with that because it was feeling like an okay day till I fell, and now I'm just like, yep, don't want to do anything else. Well, I'm gonna do this stuff. I'm just not gonna get everything done that I was supposed to get done for the week. I was going over my list just now, and I'm like, nope, didn't get that done, didn't get that done either, didn't get that done either. But I do think I wrote over 6,000 words this week, so yay. We're increasing word count here. We're increasing word count. Even got to work on my pen name project, my Betty's project for a little bit. But I want to go. I want to get some coffee now. I just ate. It could be considered a late lunch, early dinner. I'm not really sure. I hadn't eaten yet today, so I was just starving. And now I need caffeine. I'll be back. Hello. Oh, we're not going to talk about how late it is. You don't want to know. Hold on. Baby, wait. Whoa. Hello. Ooh, 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 ooh. Swing you around. Alrighty. Okay. There we go. Do you really want to know how late it is? Or how early, depending on how you want to look at it. It is 5 a.m. on the dot. Should I be asleep? Maybe. Possibly. But I just now started. Oh gosh. Lord. I just now started editing this video. This very video. And I wanted to run through it once at least before tomorrow. Although I don't have today's clips on it, so it's kind of pointless, but whatever. As you saw, I'm watching Sarah Mae Sutton while I am editing my video. I am tired. I do get tired. It just usually happens around this time of the morning. My knee is killing me. I need to take some medicine. I meant to take it the last time I got up to the bathroom. I did not do that. It really hurts. Oh. Probably should have put an ice pack on it. I know. Oh my gosh. But it's cold in the basement. An ice pack will make me colder. So I opted not to. Was that a smart decision? Probably not. Oh, ouch. Okay. I swear. I was actually having a relatively low pain day. It could have been that I took my last set of arthritis medicine before I left the house. Or maybe that's why, it felt like a low pain day, but on a scale of 1 to 10, it was not in the upper numbers like it normally is or has been lately. It was like maybe at a 3, 4-ish, which is pretty good for me. And it's like I was telling, oh gosh, there's Tiffany and the gang, the friends. I was telling them backstage earlier. It's like I was having a low pain day, and it's like my body was like, nope, you can't have a low pain day. Boom, we're gonna make you fall. So embarrassing. And it's like, you know how you fall, and it's like, of course you don't want it to be like no one comes to help you. You don't want that, but you also, on the flip side, don't want everyone to rush you at once. Like, oh my God, no, 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 this is embarrassing. And then because of my size, I'm heavy. So people go to try to help me up, and I'm like, I know I'm heavy. I don't want to hurt anyone by them trying to help me up. So I'm like, no, no, no. I've developed a technique. I can get up. I just need you to give me some space. I've developed a technique. Because then what's equally more embarrassing is them trying to help me up and me feeling like I'm hurting them physically because it's a lot of me to help up. I'm not being down on myself. This is the reality. Don't think, oh, I'm trash talking myself. No. I mean, again, I developed a defense mechanism in high school when people used to talk about my weight to always talk about myself first. So, because then it takes the sting, it kind of takes the joy away from anyone who wants to make fun or talk about my weight, and takes the sting out of it if someone does, because I said it first. What are you going to do? So I've learned to deal with it that way. But this is not me trash talking myself. I'm beautiful. I know it. But I'm, well, that sounded arrogant. Oh, no, I'm just saying that I know I'm not the lightest. I'm not light like a feather. So I'm just like so embarrassed that when I fell, that not only everyone rushed over, and it's like everything stopped in the store because I fell. So pride was hurt more than anything. Well, until I got in the car and realized that my knee was starting to swell and my shoulder hurt a little. Actually, my shoulder pain has kind of gone down a little bit. But, oh my gosh, I did not need that to happen today. But it's fine. Still had a good day. Even wrote some words. Oh, hold on. Oh, Lord. I'm supposed to have a word count for you. Hold, please. And I'm back. So, I think my goal this week was to do either 10 hours of writing and or 6,500 words. Y'all ready for this? Well, I didn't do the 10 hours. I think I got to about 7 hours of writing because I didn't write yesterday or Thursday. And I only did the one, like, half hour. Oh, gosh. I only did a half hour on Friday today. Well, technically it's Saturday now, but whatever. But 7,288 words for the week is my total. I'm so proud of me. Now I'm coming to the realization that I most likely will not be done these revisions by next Wednesday, which is the end of January. Which saddens me, but I'm just gonna keep chugging along until I finish them. I don't know what that means for getting it to Morgan, but we'll discuss that. What else for the week? I have a list of things, and I was going over the list today, and I'm like, I didn't do that, I didn't do that, I didn't do that either. It was so many things I didn't do, but I got an interview posted on the magazine, which, since it's been kind of like on hiatus since October. Maybe was it the end of September? Because I had the surgery in October, so I didn't post any interviews then, I don't think, in that month, or during Nano, or during December. So yeah, it usually only goes on hiatus like in December, but life happened. So Glad the magazine's back. The magazine has a Ko-fi now, so because it's in its 10th year, and I really would like to get to the point where we could do quarterly print issues for the magazine, but that takes money. So yeah. I don't know what else. I have barely gotten into this, but I really like it. So far, I'm not entirely sure I know where. Well, I like to be surprised sometimes. I like it when you can surprise me, James Patterson. But I'm really curious as to where this. I think I know where this is going, but then I don't really know. Some strange things happening already, but I'm liking it. Somebody's about to turn up dead. I just know it. I I don't know how much left I have on the 101 essays to change what you think. I don't think I've listened to it that much this week, but it's fine. Over the weekend I will, because I have a lot of stuff to do to get done on Saturday. Some social media to schedule and stuff, and yeah, I don't really know what other update. Um, yeah, that's it. That's gonna be it for this video. If you like what you see and you want to see more videos from me, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. I post videos on Mondays and Thursdays, live stream on Wednesdays from 7 to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. As per usual, if you would like to be supportive of me in any of my creative endeavors, such as my blog, my online magazine, my online store, my GoFundMe, my Ko-fi page, or by buying my books, all of those links can be found in the description box below. And until next time, take care of yourselves and have a blessed day. Bye.